This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the core process, Windows Explorer. First, save work and close heavy apps so the restart doesn't lose data. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. This clears UI hiccups immediately. If Explorer won't restart, end the task and use File right arrow Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE and press Enter. Once done, make sure the taskbar responds. This step often resolves lag because it reloads shell resources without a full reboot. Once Explorer is stable, verify system integrity and background services to prevent recurring lag. Run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair component store corruption. Next, open services, MSC, and set Windows Search or Cortana to manual if they spike CPU or disk. That reduces taskbar delays. Finally, go to Task Manager, right arrow Startup, and disable non-essential startup entries. To finish, confirm persistence across reboots. Create a new local user and sign in to test the taskbar. If the new profile is smooth, your original profile is corrupted. If problems persist system-wide, run an in-place upgrade or use system restore to a point before the lag started. That repairs registry and UI components without deleting files. If things go wrong, uninstall recent updates or apps first. They are the most common triggers. Make sure to reboot after each change and retest the taskbar responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.